The SAT loves study design. Your first move is to decide whether researchers intervened or only observed. That single distinction controls what kind of conclusion is allowed, especially about causation. An experiment manipulates its variables. An observational study measures what people already do. Only a well-designed experiment with random assignment can support a causal claim within limits. An observational study can show association. It cannot prove that one variable caused another. Random selection is about generalizing to a population. Random assignment is about fair comparison of treatments. On the SAT, scenarios are short. Your task is to match the design to the allowed language. Causal language belongs to experiments with random assignment. Easy question. Identify whether a description is an experiment or an observational study. If you see randomly assigned, that is a huge clue you are in experiment territory. Medium difficulty. Identify a confounding variable that explains an association without requiring causation. Example. People who drink more coffee might also exercise more, sleep differently, or have different jobs. Those hidden differences can confound the story. The study may show a link without proving coffee caused the outcome. Blocking and replication are bonus words. Blocking reduces known differences between groups, and repeating the experiment strengthens evidence. Know the vocabulary. A control group does not receive the active treatment, often receiving a placebo instead, and double-blind means neither participants nor measurers know who got which treatment, which reduces bias. Harder items ask which conclusion is valid. Start by checking whether treatments were randomly assigned. If assignment was random and the study is well executed, a difference in outcomes can support a causal statement about the treatment. If the study is purely observational, stick to association language, even if the pattern feels convincing. Common mistake: claiming causation from an observational study because the correlation is strong. Another mistake: confusing random selection with random assignment. They answer different questions. SAT pro tip: when you see randomly assigned, think experiment, and ask whether a causal conclusion is on the table. When researchers only observe existing behavior, keep your claims careful and talk about association. Watch for confounders that offer alternative explanations without proving anything by themselves. Before you bubble an answer, ask one question. Did researchers assign treatments at random? If yes, causal wording is on the table. If no, stay cautious. Recap. Experiments manipulate treatments. Observational studies do not. Random assignment is the special ingredient for fair comparisons. Observation can find patterns, but it cannot guarantee causes. Always ask what third variables might explain the link, and let randomly assigned guide you to experiment reasoning on test day. Practice more on NovaMaths.